Hey guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Komali. Today's question of the day series question number 32. Which state organizes the world's largest open air theatre Dhanu Yatra festival? Options: Gujarat, Odisha, West Bengal, Kerala. Let's look into the answer. The Dhanu Yatra festival. It is considered as the world's largest open air theatre. Began in the western Odisha town of Barga. The Dhanu Yatra came into existence in Barga in 1947 to 48 as part of the celebration of the country's independence. It is celebrated annually, and episodes related to Hindu god Krishna is presented through folk art forms. So the right answer for this question is option B, Odisha. Odisha state organizes the world's largest open air theatre, Dhanu Yatra festival. And here is another question for you. What is the theme of the official Government of India calendar for 2023? And here are your options. If you know the answer, comment down, and if you do not know the answer, click on the video that is shown on the screen. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel Learn with Komali and do not forget to check out my community post.